Being the first lady to win the Safaricom Golf Tour, I'm expecting to put up a good fight with the gentlemen, yeah, and probably emerge the winner too there, hopefully.
This is one sport that not so many people from this region have embraced like other sports. I'll talk about soccer, I'll talk about motorsports, I'll talk about rugby. You know, it's not so much embraced like those other sports. So today, Safaricom is here just to demystify the fact that this is a game that anybody else can play.